Hey everybody, this is Mike, Let's Say Precision. I'm going to try to work on the blend door actuator on my Chrysler 200. It's a 2014 and it's been doing this a while. I've already identified which blend door it is because there are several, and you can see that in some of the other videos. So I'm just going to go through real quick and pull this out, replace it, and hopefully it stops and doesn't come back. I'll get you the part number and everything. I got it from AutoZone. All right, let's get going. First thing you got to do is let the glove compartment drop out of the way. Squeeze the sides in. Move your light out of the way. And my, I don't know what you call this, but it's so the glove box doesn't slam down. Mine was already messed up. I don't know. I never messed with this before, so. And I've owned this car since new. Maybe it was done like the factory like that, or who knows. It's only been in the dealership a couple times, so. Guess we just pop this out. There we go. All right. It looks like there's a little bit of glare on the camera. Let's move this out of the way. Okay, and you can see the tools that I've got. A couple of pry bars, Phillips head screwed on a 1/4 inch ratchet. Let's see. So it's up in there. Let me get some light. Hang on. Okay, so you can see it up in there, and you can see my tether. It's kind of busted, so I have to fix that. And some of the, let's see, you don't have much clearance. There's a little, like a little fascia plate or a little valance plate down here. A little piece of trim held down with these quick clips. A couple of them. You probably pop those off. And I don't know if that would help me or not. I know it'll definitely be, I could probably get more light in there, so let me do that real quick. These are just the Christmas tree type clips because of the way they got the little branches on them. Right here, I can't really see what I'm doing, so everything is being done by feel. So the first thing I have to do is disconnect the electrical connector. And here I'm going to be removing the Phillips screws from the unit. There are 2 of them. One you can see here, and there is one higher up which I did not get into frame. Yeah. I'm videoing.
Oh, sorry.
It's all right. Alright, so I think I got everything covered. It's a kind of a contortionist job. This is the one that's broken. There's movement in there. I'm not taking it apart. I don't really care. I had a problem like this on a Ford. And it wasn't a broken gear. It was like a potentiometer strip or something in there. Because it was kind of like a real basic stepper servo motor kind of thing. So, yeah, the new one didn't have any play in it whatsoever. So, and I did start it up before I put it all back together. That's in the video. And no clicking sound. So we'll see how long this lasts. Hopefully it lasts for the length of time that I own this Chrysler 200. So, if you enjoyed this video, it helped you out. You want any more information, leave a question down below, comment, like, dislike, subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content. I haven't put a video out in a while because my hard drive crashed on my computer, so, you know, wham, right? Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. This is Mike with +8 Precision. Till the next one.